Are you inundated with yarn, project remnants, discount bin bargains, the gifted, the thrifted and a stash of other odds and ends of unknown origins? This series aims to bust that stash with quick, simple tutorials that use only small amounts of yarn. Welcome to the Scrap Stash. Hey everyone, welcome to Skein Spider. Today is the last pattern of the Halloween series and it's going to be these little spiders, which are my personal favourite. If you'd like to make one, grab your hooks and let's get started. To make this pattern, you're going to need a 3mm hook, scissors, stitch markers, a needle, pins, stuffing, and 8-ply yarn in a colour or colours of your choice. You're going to crochet 4 different sizes for the legs, and you're going to need to make 2 of each size. I've called the leg patterns leg pattern 1, 2, 3, and 4, and that's from smallest to largest. All 4 patterns for each of the sizes follow the exact same pattern from rounds 1 through to 15. The only difference between the smallest and the largest patterns is the larger ones have additional rounds to make them a little bit longer. So for the first leg pattern 1, which is the shortest, I'm going to read out rounds 1 to 15, and with all the other leg patterns I'm not going to be reading that section out, so you'll just have to crochet that again, but with the additional rounds added on to make them longer. We're going to begin with the leg pattern number 1, and you're going to need 3 colours for this. I'm beginning with black and I'm going to put 6 single crochet in a magic circle for round 1. Round 2 is 5 single crochet and an increase. Round 3 is 6 single crochet and an increase. Round 4 is 8 single crochet. At the end of round 4 you're going to be changing colours. Round 5 in the new colour is 7 single crochet and an increase. Round 6 is 8 single crochet and an increase. Round 7 and 8 begin with 3 slip stitches. If you tend to crochet fairly tightly, loosen up a little bit on your tension to crochet these slip stitches, because otherwise they're going to be a bit hard to work into in the next round. So you want to do them a little bit looser than the rest of your stitches. After the 3 slip stitches, we're going to do 5 half double crochet and then finish the rounds with 2 more slip stitches. Again, crochet a little bit looser. After round 8, secure your end and we're going to begin stuffing the foot. When you're finished, continue with round 9, which is 10 single crochet. At the end of round 9, we're going to be changing colours again. So for round 10, we're going to start with the new colour and crochet 9 single crochet and an increase. Round 11 is 5 slip stitches followed by 6 half double crochet. Round 12 is 10 single crochet, 1 increase. Rounds 13 and 14 are 6 slip stitches followed by 6 half double crochet, and round 15, which is the final round for leg 1, is just going to be 12 single crochet. For leg number 2, you're going to follow the same pattern from rounds 1 through to 15, and then round 16, which is the final round of leg pattern number 2, is just going to be another 12 single crochet. We're going to do the same for leg pattern number 3, follow rounds 1 to 15, and then rounds 16 and 17 are going to be 12 single crochet. And then with the leg pattern 4, which is the longest leg, we're going to do the same thing again. Follow the pattern from rounds 1 to 15, and then rounds 16 through to 18 are just 12 single crochet. The head begins with 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 6 increases. Round 3 is 3 single crochet, 3 increases repeated twice. Round 4 is 1 single crochet followed by an increase and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 6 is 30 single crochet. Round 7 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase and then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Round 8 is 36 single crochet. Round 9 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 10 is 42 single crochet. Round 11 is 13 single crochet and an increase repeated 3 times. Rounds 12 to 14 are 45 single crochet. Round 15 is 13 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 3 times. Round 16 is 42 single crochet. Round 17 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 18 is 2 single crochet and a decrease followed by a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Round 19 is 3 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. At the end of round 19, secure your end and begin to stuff the head. When you've finished stuffing, we're going to continue with round 20, which is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times, finishing off with 1 single crochet. Round 21 is 1 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times, and round 22, the final round, is 6 decreases. Finish off and weave in your end. The body begins with 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 3 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 4 is 12 single crochet. Round 5 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 6 is 15 single crochet. Round 7 is 4 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 3 times. Round 8 is 18 single crochet. Round 9 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 2 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 1 single crochet. Round 10 is 24 single crochet. Round 11 is 3 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 12 is 30 single crochet. Round 13 is 2 single crochet, 1 increase, and then a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 increase done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. Round 14 is 36 single crochet. Round 15 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase repeated 6 times. Round 16 through to 20 are 42 single crochet. Round 21 is 5 single crochet, 1 decrease repeated 6 times. Round 22 is 36 single crochet. Round 23 is 2 single crochet and a decrease, followed by a repeat of 4 single crochet, 1 decrease done 5 times. Finish off with 2 single crochet. And round 24, the final round, is just 30 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. To make the back patch, we're going to work in rows and not rounds. Begin by making a slip knot and chaining 5. Row 1, starting in the second chain from the hook, is 4 single crochet. Row 2 is chain 1, turn your work, and then we're going to do 1 increase, 2 single crochet, and an increase in the last stitch. Row 3, chain 1, turn your work, then we're going to do 1 increase, 4 single crochet, and finish with an increase. Row 4 is chain 1, turn your work, 1 increase, 6 single crochet, and an increase. Row 5, chain 1 and turn, we're going to do 1 increase, 8 single crochet, and 1 increase. Row 6 through to 9 are just going to be 12 single crochet, chaining and turning at the start of each row. Row 10, chain 1, turn your work, we're going to single crochet 2 together and then do 10 single crochet. Row 11, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet 2 together and then 9 single crochet. Row 12, chain 1 and turn, single crochet 2 together and then 8 single crochet. Row 13, chain 1, turn work, single crochet 2 together and then 7 single crochet. Row 14, chain and turn, single crochet 2 together and then 6 single crochet. Row 15, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet 2 together and then 5 single crochet. Row 16, chain 1, turn your work, single crochet 2 together and then 4 single crochet. Row 17, chain and turn, single crochet 2 together and then 3 single crochet. Row 18, chain 1, turn your work, and then we're going to single crochet 2 together twice. Row 19 is our final row, and we're going to chain 1, turn work, and just single crochet the last 2 stitches together. To finish off the back patch, you're going to single crochet around the entire edge, just putting a single crochet in at the end of each row. Once you've done that, slip stitch to finish, and then leave a fairly long tail for sewing. You're going to need 2 colours. We're going to begin by putting 4 single crochet in a magic circle. Round 2 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. At the end of round 2, change colours, and round 3 worked in the new colour is just going to be 6 single crochet. Round 4 is 5 single crochet, 1 increase, and then round 5, the final round, is just 7 single crochet. Finish off and leave a tail for sewing. We're going to make 2 different sized eyes, a small and a large. The small eye is just 6 single crochet in a magic circle, and the large eye is 6 single crochet in a magic circle, and round 2 is 1 single crochet, 1 increase repeated twice. You're going to finish off and leave a tail for sewing for all the eyes, and then go ahead and add some details if you like. Before we begin assembling our spiders, just make sure that the head is sitting the right way. The head itself should be wider than it is longer. Once you've got that in the right position, we're going to stuff the body and then attach it to the head. I'm placing the top of the body between rounds 4 and 5 of the head, but you can place this as high up or as further down the body as you like. It really just depends how you'd like the spider to look. Once that's pinned in place, go ahead and sew that on. The next step is to lay the back patch on top of the body and sew that on. Make sure it's centered between the head and the beginning of the back patch where we first chained 5. That is going to sit directly on top of where we sewed the body and the head together. Once you've got the back patch on, it's time to sew on the legs. We're going to begin by sewing on the longest legs first. Before we sew the legs on, we're going to mark out where we want them to sit. Take a pin or something else you can use as a marker and place it between rounds 10 and 11 of the body. This is where the top of the legs is going to sit. The first legs we're going to sew on are leg number 4, which are the longest legs, and we're going to attach them half on the head and half on the body. So line the tops up between rounds 10 and 11 and have half of the leg on the head and then the other half of the leg across where you sewed the head and the body together and onto the body part itself. This step is fairly important because if you don't push the legs far back enough, you're not going to have enough room on the head itself for the rest of the legs. Pin and sew both of the longest legs on first, and then we're going to add leg number 3, which is the second longest leg. You're going to press leg number 3 firmly up against leg number 4, and again with the tops between rounds 10 and 11, pin those in place and then sew those on. Then we're going to do the same with number 2. Press them firmly up against leg number 3, tops between rounds 10 and 11, pin and sew. And then the last legs, leg pattern number 1, we're going to press firmly up against leg pattern number 2, pin and sew those on too. This should leave you with a gap somewhere between about 7 and 10 stitches at the front of your spider. In the center of this gap, between rounds, or the tops between rounds 5 and 6, we're going to place the 2 large eyes approximately 1 stitch apart. So center those between the gap of the legs and then pin and sew those on. Once the large legs are sewn on, either side of those, again with the tops between rounds 4 and 5 of the head, we're going to sew on the small eyes, and these 2 are about 1 stitch apart from the large eyes. Thank you for watching, everyone. I really hope you like this Halloween series. I had a lot of fun making it. If you did enjoy it, consider liking and subscribing, and I will see you hopefully next week with a new video, but I'll see if I can get it filmed in time. If not, it'll be the week after that. See you all then.